Hello, this is your girl Photoshoptutorial and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a quick Asian inspired layerable jacket. So it's going to be very simple. I will not be doing a voiceover. Only voiceover you will hear is for the intro. But other than that, I will not do a voiceover today. In my other videos, I will definitely be doing more voiceovers, but today I will not. Also, I want you guys to check out my mesh heads that I've recently put in the shop. I continue to put more and more mesh heads in the shop. I hope you guys like what I create. I will be doing a tutorial in the future of how to do mesh heads. I learned from 2 people, so I really appreciate them a lot. If you check out my last video, you'll understand who I'm talking about. Okay, so let's get started. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe. And if you have any comments, comment down below. I'll see you soon.